In this video, we'll be going over a logarithms question that's in the style of a past paper question. So let's approach what we have. Given that log x plus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 log x minus 1 to the base 3, show that 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. This question is 5 marks. And so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to move our log functions to the left-hand side of our equation. So we have log x plus 1 to the base 3 minus 2 log x minus 1 to the base 3 equals 1. Now we're going to use the power law for our second log function here. So we have log x plus 1 to the base 3 minus log x minus 1 the whole squared to the base 3 is equal to 1. Now we're going to use our division law. So log of x plus 1 over x minus 1 the whole squared to the base 3 is equal to 1. So we're going to have both the left hand side and the right hand side as powers of 3. So 3 to the power of log x plus 1 over x minus 1 the whole squared to the base 3 is equal to x plus 1 over x minus 1 the whole squared. And 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 3. So now we can start to rearrange our equation here. So you have x plus 1 is equal to 3 times x minus 1 the whole squared. We can expand our brackets here. So x plus 1 is equal to 3x squared, 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. And we can multiply our 3 in. So this is equal to 3x squared minus 6x plus 3. We can move everything to the left hand side now. Actually, we can move our x plus 1 to the right hand side. So we get 3x squared minus 6x minus x plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we simplify it down, we get 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. And so we've shown how we can get to this value as it is given in the question. Now we can try and attempt part B. So hence or otherwise solve log x plus 1 to the base 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 log x minus 1 to the base 3. And this question is 2 marks. And so what we can do here is we can use what we have at the end of section A. So we can, when we simplified our logs, we got a quadratic equation of 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. This is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic by factorizing. So when we factorize, we get our two sections as 3x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 over 3 or x is equal to 2. Now we can see that on the right hand side of our equation we have x minus 1 inside our log function. Now, as we know, we can't have a negative number inside our log function, so x has to be greater than 1. The only value of x that we have found that's greater than 1 is 2, so x is equal to 2. As always, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.